What's Google PageSpeed Insights? How to use it? Google PageSpeed Insights is a free tool that analyzes the performance of any website and provides suggestions for improving its speed and user experience. It measures how quickly your page loads and provides data-driven optimization suggestions to make it faster. To use Google PageSpeed Insights, you can follow these steps. Go to the PageSpeed Insights website and enter the URL of the web page you want to analyze. Click Analyze and wait for the results to load. You will see two tabs, mobile and desktop. You can switch between them to see how your page performs on different devices. You will see a score from 0 to 100, which indicates how well your page follows the web performance best practices. A higher score means a faster and more user-friendly page. You will also see a list of opportunities and diagnostics, which show you how to improve your page speed and user experience. You can click on each item to see more details and suggestions. You can also download a report or share a link to your results. Google PageSpeed Insights is a useful tool to help you optimize your website and make it more appealing to your visitors. If you want to learn more about Google PageSpeed Insights, you can check out these websites. Learn more. 1. PageSpeed Insights. https://pagespeed.web.dev. 2. Make the web faster Google for developers. https://developers.google.com/speed. 3. PageSpeed Insights. https://pagespeed.web.dev.